Hey everybody, welcome to Rectum. I'm Sean, and today I want to give you my take on the Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino. I don't know if I can say Starbucks or Mocha Frappuccino, but I just said it and it's going to be in the title. So there, I don't know if it's a trademark thing or if a Mocha Frappuccino is just some kind of a coffee. Anyway, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to make this, and I've come up with what I think is the best, easiest way. You just need some simple ingredients. Swiss Miss is key. This has milk, you don't need milk. So you can eliminate the milk if you don't usually buy milk. You don't have to. This has skim milk in it. Ice is a must. It's the fall. Pumpkin spice. A little bit of xanthan gum. This is a thickener. This will keep your ice in suspension. And of course, coffee. I'm going to do 2 cups out of my Keurig. 2 K-cups. Use whatever you like. I recommend against using flavored coffee because you already have your chocolate. You already have your pumpkin. And my Vitamix. Now, I'm going to link in the description everything used to make this this Mocha Frappuccino. And it's going to be good. It's a big hit. So first 2 cups of coffee. I actually make the coffee the night before so it's nice and cold. 4 tablespoons, rounded, not heaping, of Swiss Miss. Link in the description. 1/8, a little bit less xanthan gum. And if it sounds kind of odd to you, it's not in your pantry. You've used xanthan gum is in a lot of products. And the ice. I've never actually measured how much ice I put in. I just kind of go by feel, like the ice is kind of over the coffee. Maybe a couple cups worth of ice. Yeah, that looks perfect. That's for fun. Okay, now's where it gets loud. And of course the pumpkin spice, this will be about half a teaspoon or so. Not necessary. Link below to this stuff. It's not very expensive, but it's the fall, and if you like it, you got it. So it's going to get loud. I'm going to start off at 1, get the big pieces of ice broken up. I'm going to move it up to 4 or 5, blend it a little bit more, move it down to 1, I'm going to pour it in the glass, and you're going to see the texture of it. And I have this for the remainder for when I'm just going to walking around the yard or hanging up Christmas ornaments. That's it. We made it. 1 pumpkin spice Mocha Frappuccino. That is so good. It smells really pumpkin-y out here. You want to go ahead and grab that glass, Wyatt? You can stand up and walk. My son's in here watching me make a video. I'm going to pour this in here, and I will be able to sip it for the rest of the evening. If you know your blender, you'll know about how much blending is required to make the ice small enough to fit through your straw, and that's kind of what you're going for. And the xanthan gum is really cheap. A little goes a long way. You can have the xanthan gum for months, maybe years. Make gravy with it, all kinds of things. So anyway, thanks for joining. Click like, click subscribe, and comment below, how do you make yours? Have you ever tried it? Comment below if you tried this recipe and how much you like it. How's that one?
Good.
Good? Super good?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. This is so good. And make it for under $1 for 2, or under $2 for 2. So links below to all the stuff, blender, cooler, Swiss Miss. You'll be able to buy it all, shop, and make your own. And if you already have the blender and already have the stuff, just go for it. Take care. Thank you for watching. I'm Sean. The channel is Rectum. Bye-bye.